What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I am back on my shelf tour. Okay, so right here we have shelf brackets. Now, these are not as big as the other shelf brackets that I had or that I have, but these are still, the same style. Thank you, Ring. Thank you. So let's go ahead, check it out. You guys, these brackets are fun. It's just fun to hang stuff, you guys. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so you get a lot of screws, okay? Anchors, screws. We definitely gonna need them. Depending on how you hang your stuff, you might have a lot of studs behind your wall, or you might have no studs. If you have no studs, you need anchors. All right, so there we go. These are 5 inches, you guys. So make sure you measure what you need before you buy it, of course. I will link this in the description. But for what I'm going to use this for, I have these little square wooden. I have these square wooden boxes that I made a long time ago. I haven't found nothing to do with them. So I put them on the side. Now I want to put everything up because I actually have time. I will link my other shelf hanging videos. All right, you guys. Y'all know I can't leave y'all hanging, you guys. Let me show y'all how to put something up. I can't leave y'all hanging, so I will put at least one up, and then I will show y'all the final results of what I'm doing. So basically I'm putting these little boxes that I made. I made these boxes a long time ago. Didn't figure out what I want to do with them until now. So I want to put them on the wall, and I'll probably put like action figures or something inside just for design and stuff like that. I know I'm corny, you guys, but it is what it is. So what we're going to do is we are going to find a stud just to see where our studs are located. Now, I actually framed my whole basement. I framed the whole thing. So I am, what was it? I think I'm 24 inches studs. I don't think I put them 16 inches. You have a choice, or you have to look at your building code, blah, blah, blah. All right, so whoever that matters to. All right, so we have a stud there, we have a stud here, and then a stud all the way here. So 1, 2, 3. So I have those studs there. Now I'm just going to present it to see exactly how I want to do this. And if the studs, see now if I put a bracket over here, I can use one stud, and then when I come over this side, I won't have no stud, so I will have to use an anchor. All right, so I will put one here, but let me see, do I want to put it up? I think I might put it up right here. I think this will be good. So I might put it up a little further like this. So I'm going to have mine up. All right, so what I will do is, first thing I'm going to do, I am going to go ahead and look for the stud up here, and I'm just going to put it in like this for right now. And then I will use a level to level it out, then I'll know where I need to put my other bracket. All right. So we're gonna do this real quick, you guys, so y'all won't watch a very long video. So they provided long screws and short screws. The short screws will go into the wood, and then the long screws will go into the frame. I found my mark on the top. When I get the leveler, I'm gonna put the leveler on top of here, put it over here, and see where I go from there, because I want the box further over this side. Or I could have the box further over this side, it don't matter, depending on where I want it. Now, my only decision, the hardest decision, is to see if I want it further over this side, or do I want it further over this side is, this is level right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bracket on, you guys. I'm gonna just present the bracket like this, make sure it's still level. Now what I have to do is kind of hold everything with one hand, but then I make my marks. All right, and make my mark again, and now that's where I gotta drill my holes at. All right, 2 holes. Let's try to move this thing over. Let's screw this in. I need a bigger anchor, you guys. That anchor, those anchors, I made the hole too big. So now I need a bigger anchor. So I will have to go upstairs to look for that. Catch on a little bit. All right, you guys. God is on my side. Or whoever you believe in is on my side. I have some anchors down here already. You guys, that bracket is going nowhere. Off and move it. Let's see what we look like. Yeah, I see now. The block is up. The box, the block, whatever you want to call it, is up. So what I'm going to do is install the rest of what I want to install, and then I'll show y'all the final product on, you know, me putting them up, and that will be it. So stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all on the final. All right, you guys, we are finally finished. Okay, so here's the laser level, and as you can see, it goes all the way around. You can even see it back there. It's going all the way in the back. I can see it on the wall, but y'all can't see it, so that's pretty cool. Laser levels are like the best thing. But you still need the O level, of course. That's it with the brackets. Done with that review. Once again, I did not screw into my wood. You may want to screw into yours. I don't screw into mine because I like taking it back off, re-sanding it, or put a finishing coat on it, like a poly coat. And yeah, so I just have OCD when it comes to that. Anyways, that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.